Hey there, future scholars! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting for you, a comprehensive guide on how to find and apply for scholarships. Whether you're a high school student dreaming of your dream college, or a university student looking to ease the financial burden, we've got your back. Have you ever wondered how some students manage to secure scholarships that pave their way through college? You might think they have some magical secret, but guess what? There are no secrets here, only strategies, and today, we're sharing them all with you. So, let's dive right in. The first step on your scholarship journey is the scholarship search. Where do you start? Well, have you checked out websites like FastWeb, Scholarship.com, and College Board? These are like treasure chests, filled with opportunities just waiting for you. Have you already started your scholarship search? Share your experiences in the comments below. Alright, so you've started your scholarship search. Now, let's talk about identifying your strengths and goals. What are you passionate about? What sets you apart from others? Scholarships aren't just about grades. They're about who you are as a person. I remember when I was in your shoes, I had a passion for community service. It turned out to be a game changer for me in my scholarship applications. What's your unique strength or passion that could make you stand out? Next up, crafting an impressive resume. Remember, your scholarship application is like a job interview. You need to make a fantastic first impression. Include your academic achievements and extracurricular activities, and don't forget to highlight your passion and unique strengths. By the way, have you ever been surprised by your own achievements when you started compiling your resume? It's an incredible confidence booster. Now, the stellar personal statement. This is your opportunity to share your story, your dreams, and your motivations. It's not about being perfect, it's about being real. Why do you deserve this scholarship? I know it can be intimidating, but trust me, sharing your story can be powerful. Have you ever had a moment where your story made a difference in your life? Moving on to letters of recommendation. Think of these as character references. Reach out to teachers, mentors, or anyone who can vouch for your dedication and passion. I bet there's someone in your life who would be thrilled to write a letter of recommendation for you. It's like having your very own cheerleader. And now, the application process. This is the moment you've been waiting for. Ensure you've read all the instructions carefully, and don't procrastinate. Deadlines are non-negotiable. Tell me, what scholarship are you most excited about applying for? Share in the comments below and let's cheer you on. The application process is where the magic happens. Your well-prepared application is your golden ticket to securing scholarships. So, here's a step-by-step breakdown to ensure you're on the right track. First and foremost, always read the instructions carefully. Each scholarship may have unique requirements, and missing even a small detail can be the difference between success and disappointment. Mark your calendar with the application deadline, and set a reminder a few days before to double-check everything. Next, gather all the essential documents. This typically includes your transcript, resume, personal statement, and letters of recommendation. Have digital and physical copies ready. Organize your files neatly, creating a separate folder for each scholarship you're applying for. It'll save you time and confusion. Customize each application. Here's a secret to success: customize each application. Don't use a generic template for all scholarships. Tailor your application to match the specific requirements and objectives of each scholarship. This shows your dedication and genuine interest, which can set you apart. After drafting your application, proofread it, edit, and refine. Spelling and grammatical errors can leave a bad impression, so use tools like Grammarly or ask a friend for help. Ensure that your personal statement is heartfelt, concise, and impactful. It's your opportunity to make a lasting impression. Don't be afraid to seek feedback. Share your application with teachers, mentors, or family members. They can provide valuable insights and help you polish your application. Constructive criticism can be a powerful tool for improvement. Once you're satisfied with your application, follow the submission guidelines to the letter. Some scholarships may require online submission, while others may prefer physical copies. Double-check the formatting, font size, and any additional materials requested. Quick question for you: have you ever applied for a scholarship and realized you missed a crucial detail? In the application instructions? How did you handle it? Share your experiences below. Here's a pro tip. Make copies and keep detailed records. Scan your application documents and keep digital backups. It's not just about being organized, it's also a safety net in case something goes missing, or a scholarship committee needs additional information. Submit your applications ahead of time, preferably a day or two before the deadline. This not only relieves some of the last-minute stress but also ensures your application is received on time. Plus, it shows that you're a responsible and punctual candidate. And remember, every application you submit is a step closer to your dreams. The process might seem daunting, but it's an incredible journey filled with opportunities for self-discovery and growth. Keep the end goal in sight, and you'll overcome any challenge that comes your way. Now, before we move on, let's discuss an essential aspect of the application process that can often be overlooked. Scholarship essays. Scholarship essays are your chance to tell your story, to explain why you're the perfect candidate, and why this scholarship is vital for your goals. Start with a powerful hook in your essay to grab the reader's attention. Share anecdotes and life experiences, and show how you've overcome challenges. Be genuine and passionate, and let your unique voice shine through. Scholarship committees want to see how their investment in you will make a difference. Discuss the impact this scholarship will have on your education and your future plans. Make them believe in your vision. If you have any weaknesses or gaps in your application, don't shy away from addressing them in your essay. Explain how you've learned and grown from those experiences. It demonstrates maturity and self-awareness. End your essay with a strong message, a call to action, or a reflection on the impact you aspire to make. Leave the reader with a lasting impression. It's your chance to create a connection. So, how's your scholarship essay coming along? Have you chosen a compelling topic or theme? Share your ideas or struggles with us in the comments. We're here to help. As we wrap up our discussion on the application process, remember that each application you submit is a step towards turning your dreams into reality. Don't be discouraged by rejections. They're just a part of the process. Keep applying, keep improving, and keep believing in yourself. Great! You filled out your applications, and now it's time to submit your applications. Remember, the key is to be organized. Keep a checklist, and make sure everything is complete. It can be a nail-biting moment when you hit that submit button, right? But remember, you've got this. And here's an essential part: follow-up and persistence. Don't be afraid to check in on your application status. Sometimes, a friendly reminder can make all the difference. Have you ever had a moment when you didn't give up, and it paid off? Share your story, and let's inspire each other. Now, the waiting game. It's like waiting for a letter from Hogwarts, but in this case, your dream college or scholarship committee. Patience is key. What do you do to stay patient and keep yourself occupied while you wait? I know I binge-watched a lot of shows. Phew, that was quite a journey, wasn't it? Remember, scholarships are attainable dreams. It's all about your passion, your uniqueness, and your determination. You have what it takes. In summary, remember to start with the scholarship search, identify your strengths. Craft an impressive resume, write a stellar personal statement, gather strong letters of recommendation. Navigate the application process, submit your applications, follow up, and embrace the waiting game. Before we wrap up, my final words of encouragement: don't let fear hold you back. You are more capable than you think, and scholarships are waiting for you. Now, go out there and make your scholarship dreams a reality. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our scholarship tips and inspiring content. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Remember, your dreams are worth it. We're here to support you every step of the way. Comment below with your scholarship journey stories, and let's inspire each other. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars, scholars. You've got this.